Usiza might have been gone but not forgotten, because Lalela, there's a will that needs to be read, and this shocked everybody because abantu bebacanga ukuthi vele vele abomaqhuzu, but it just happened ukuthi kahle kahle Usiza was not even thinking about them. So now khona lo bathu Virginia decided ukuthi she's going to make noise in the eyes of Uthandiswa so that she can come bese kufundwa le will, because it looks like she knew something that everybody else didn't know. Well, it got obvious. Angazi, is it a lawyer or I don't know, whoever he is decided to come as ufunda le will. Then we find out that 60 million of his estate is going to his only son. Then the house goes to Uthandiswa, and then the depot is with Jackson Tembo, and of which now it shocked everybody ukuthi kanti uSiza beyangasithandi vele. Why kuza kanjani ukuthi umuntu angasishiyeli lutho ngisho ne-1 rand, and then bese kuthiwa idepot inikeza umngane kanjani? This does not make sense. Well, there was a decision ukuthi if ever you feel like you want to contest this, you can actually do it in the court of law, and then ngathi akuzwakali ukuthi kahle kahle idepot uyinikeza ubani. For me, it looks like Uthandiswa was not even interested. She doesn't care what they give her, did not give her anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Smoke and Mirrors. Sanibonani, Amsheni, molweni, minjani? Hiphukile hingongwini. So namuhla ka hina wa Smoke and Mirrors hikuma mamiki, she's busy doing ama-squats ukuthi azokhona ukuchaza uzwelethu, but I don't think she's actually, but maybe just maybe uzwelethu will uzombheka, but I think she's just doing way too much because manje sekaphethwe ama-cramp. Anyway, ukayise then now reveals the fact yokuthi yena noMpendulo bashaya itloftlof, ubaba wakhe wenzani azange avuthe kanje umfundisi, because remember not so long ago umfundisi was saying ukayise must stand up and tell ibandla lonke how usaseyintombi to, she has never done anything, and then now it looks like uMpendulo has taken that ubuntombi, which did not sit well with the rest of the people. With how uMpendulo uyafunwa amaphoyisa abuza imibuzo, and then ukayise is part of the people that are being asked questions. On the other hand, speaking of uMpendulo is going to Mozambique